Since you were a child, people have been teaching you how money works. Study hard, get a good job, work for 40 years, save what's left, and someday you'll become wealthy. It sounds perfectly logical. The problem is, almost everything you were taught is either incomplete or completely wrong. These aren't just harmless beliefs. They quietly influence every financial decision you make, and they may be the very reason you're still chasing a life that never seems to arrive. Today, we're exposing the 7 biggest lies about money that millions of people still believe. Lie number 1, a high salary makes you rich. Most people believe that the road to wealth starts with a bigger paycheck. And at first, it makes sense. Earn more, live better, save the difference. But reality tells a different story. Across America, there are doctors, lawyers, engineers earning 6 figures while carrying massive debt. At the same time, millions of small business owners with lower incomes quietly build lasting wealth. Because income doesn't create wealth. What you keep and what you own does. Lie number 2, saving money alone will make you rich. Most people believe that saving money is the secret to becoming rich. So they skip coffee, avoid vacations, and carefully save every extra dollar. Saving is important, but here's the truth. Money sitting in a bank account slowly loses its value. Every year, inflation quietly steals your purchasing power. Wealth isn't built by simply saving money. It's built by making your money work for you. That's the difference between savers and investors. Lie number 3, buying a house is always the best investment. For decades, people have repeated the same advice. Buy a house as soon as you can. They say it's the smartest investment you'll ever make. But here's the question. If every house automatically made people rich, why are millions of homeowners still struggling financially? The truth is, a house can be either an asset or a liability. It all depends on how you buy it, how much debt you take, and whether it puts money into your pocket or quietly takes it out every single month. Lie number 4, debt is just a normal part of life. Almost everyone grows up hearing the same thing. A car loan is normal. Credit card debt is normal. A mortgage is normal. Student loans are normal. And slowly, debt stops feeling like a burden. It starts feeling like life. But think about it. Every dollar you owe today is a dollar your future self has already spent. Rich people don't avoid debt because they're afraid. They avoid bad debt, and they use good debt to buy assets that pay them back. Lie number 5, you need more money before you can invest. This is one of the biggest lies, keeping millions of people stuck for years. They tell themselves, I'll start investing after I earn more. But when their income doubles, their spending usually doubles too, and investing gets delayed again and again. The truth is, investing isn't about how much money you have today. It's about building the habit before your income grows, because people who never learn to invest with $100 usually don't invest with $100,000 either. Lie number 6, investing is too risky. Many people avoid investing because they fear losing money, and that fear is understandable. Stock prices go up and down, markets crash, headlines create panic. But here's the real risk: doing nothing. If your money sits in cash for years, inflation slowly reduces what it can buy. Meanwhile, long-term investors give their money a chance to grow. Investing always carries risk, but avoiding investing can be risky too. The goal isn't to avoid all risk. It's to understand risk and make informed decisions. Lie number 7, rich people are just lucky. Maybe this is the biggest lie of them all. We see successful people and assume they were simply lucky. But luck might open one door. Habits keep that door open. Most wealthy people didn't become rich overnight. They invested consistently, controlled their spending, learned new skills, and kept going, even when nobody believed in them. Your future won't be decided by luck. It'll be decided by the small choices you make every single day. The truth is, getting rich isn't about finding one perfect opportunity. It's about making better financial decisions over and over again. If you believed even one of these 7 lies, today is the perfect day to stop, because your financial future starts with the very next decision you make.